Okay, what is good, everyone? Welcome to another video, and today I have. Is this good lighting? I have a good, big announcement for you guys. Yes, the red. The fuck? The red Accord is back on this channel, and I will be modifying this car, but I won't be. How you say? I won't work on it until sometime. This summer or after summer, because like I want to gather up all the parts that I need in order to put it on to make it all into separate videos, and like I'm taking my time to pay for the parts and everything at the moment. And you know, I got a traffic violation, which was pretty much stupid because I didn't stop at a stop sign, which I did, and the officer was just like, I don't know. It's just, I have to pay it off. I want to contest it at the same time. I was like, you know what? I don't want to go any further with this. I just want this to be done, and so I can focus on my car. Because, like, you know, the cops are always on our tails for guys that have, you know, the car passion. So what I'm gonna be doing today in today's specific video, friend Henry is coming over today. Because he got his seat covers for a VIP build. Yes, he is going VIP. If you guys want to check out his build or his car, follow his Instagram page. I'll link him down right here. Right here. If I'm too close, I'm not good at vlogging, so I'll try my best. Yeah, so me and him are gonna go with the same car but different build. Who knows? Who knows how this car is gonna turn out? So. Yeah, I dropped 1,300 for this car. I'm gonna be monthly financing it, and yeah, hopefully it'll get to the point where I really want it.
Look who decides to show up. Bro, you know I just realized your license frame plate it says Takeda, but you don't have a Takeda.
Takeda intake?
Oh, the intake? Okay, that explains it. Of course, that's why I have the camera. Oh, dude, I dropped it again. What the hell? He had some VIP seat covers for his 2016 Accord, and he fucking locked the car. Did you lock it? Oh yeah, you locked it. So we're gonna start doing back seats and then front seats. So
look in there, it's all dirty. It's ugly. Don't look in there.
what are you talking about, dude? It looks like a taxi.
Blanket in there.
A taxi? You're Uber. Yeah, it was on heads. Oh, look at this guy, man. He has to do a lot more. Jesus. So we're gonna try to get this seat covers on. So hopefully it works, okay?
The guy told me it took like 3 hours, so we'll see.
With just one person.
We'll see.
Oh, also to let you guys know, I'm gonna be purchasing his coils and wheels which are gonna go on to that red Accord. Which means we're gonna be twins. What? You fat fuck? Ah, shit. Shit.
Oh, shit.
What?
You know what? I'm not putting on gloves, cause that shit.
And these seat covers. VIP as fuck, man.
VIP as fuck.
I'm gonna put this on like that and we're done. That's it.
Oh wait, yeah, we could, yeah.
That's VIP right there.
You're smart.
VIP quality. That is VIP quality.
This shit's gonna come off, bro. Literally watch, dude.
Yeah.
Literally. Hey, stop sign! This shit comes off, bro. Make sure this is in.
Oh yeah, ride that.
Fucking
You know how to ride it?
Oh, you're recording? Fuck you!
Dude, I got recorded this for Pornhub, man.
This shit in? I can't tell.
Dude, imagine how much we could make.
There's like a fucking. Oh, dude, did you see that lady? She made like fucking 40K.
Like?
No. This fucking picture of this lady. She got a check from Pornhub. That shit was like 40 grand, bro.
Oh.
Oh, no, fuck? You telling me I can suck dick for 40 grand? God
Why
damn.
not?
For
Why
one
not?
paycheck? God damn.
You can work with men and women. Just
Why
one
the
click.
fuck is this shit not going in? Yeah, fuck this car. I'm gonna get a fucking Miata.
Yeah, dude, you won't.
Can't VIP this shit.
Hold it.
Power seats? Folded? Yeah.
There
Is
you
your other
go.
seat power seat?
No.
What?
What's this one?
Why this one,
I don't
bro?
fucking know.
Why is Honda so cheap?
Is that Max?
That's a Max. What a Max it would
That's your gas.
Nope.
Alrighty, so we just got the front done, both of the front. We got the headrest done. It's not on yet, but shit. The driver's side seat took forever. I don't know what this guy is. By far, got everything all done. It's pretty simple. This is actually a 2-person to 3-person job. Can't do this by yourself.
I mean, you could, but it'll take 3 hours.
On the front side, no.
Oh yeah, fuck no.
There you go. We got everything all done. Well, that's my screwdriver. So it's all VIP'd out. Oh, we actually got the pillows as well in here. You guys can see. We're just gonna put it on here. Let's get everything all set, Henry. What the fuck? I'm not sure if I haven't seen this correctly. God damn, dude, there's a... Okay.